Good morning and welcome to, you're not going to believe this, but welcome to Dubai, the home of designer shops, $1 million apartments and 7-star hotels. But that's not my normal type of content, so instead of showing you the likes of that, I thought why not show you the Dubai nobody sees. So today we'll be checking into what is supposed to be Dubai's cheapest hotel and worst reviewed hotel. Right, I'll tell you what we'll do before we actually check in. Let's go through some of these reviews. This is a stupid hotel and behaviour of staff is also very bad. It's a 1-star. Even if you sleep in the street, don't go here. That's another 1-star. Nothing, it's bad experience, 1-star. Nothing, I need a refund, 1-star. I booked room and paid on booking.com, but when I reached the hotel, it was full, 1-star. They took my money, stole from my account without my order, 1-star. So yeah, this is going to be very interesting. Here we go. Where is it? Oh my god. Is this it? I did. Check-in. Check-in? Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Only cash. Where's the nearest cash machine? Inside here.
Station, inside the other machine.
Ah.
Station.
Where's this here?
Okay.
So I'll go outside.
You go there, the
Subway station. Perfect. Okay, thank you. It says here as well, it says in booking.com I'll pay in advance. The property will charge you in full.
We already owe you tax.
Yeah. You'll pay in advance.
Yes.
The property will charge you in full before you stay.
Yes.
So it says, so why do I have to give you money? So I just pay the tourist tax.
Yeah.
And how much is that? So I pay this money for here on booking.com. Yes. And how much to you?
15. 137.
Yeah, 137.
You have already been paid.
Yeah, well,
And,
that's
yes. And only tax paid. Yes.
yeah. 147?
47.
Yeah.
All right, here we go. Welcome to Oyo Hotel. I think this is actually a chain of hotels, but I'm actually scared to touch anything in case my hand falls off. Start. This must be a pretty old. Seems to be a pretty old building, but there's major security there. That's brilliant. We got a fridge. Oh my god. Could you imagine putting that in there? You'd be fighting more than just a Tommy bug. Fucking floor is sticky. Look at the state of the floor. Look at 2 carpets, 3 carpets, 4 carpets. Look at this. Right, anyway, we have a table. What are they trying to hide here? Not much. TV, actually pretty good. Surprised at the TV. We have a bit of decoration, bit of art. That's not going to be comfortable. Oh, right. It's not bad. We have a bedside table. Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh, shit. Guys, this is why. It's 130 odd dirhams. I think it works out at like 23 quid. So is that like $30 or something? So it's for nothing, it really is. Got a TV, or fucking telephone. What is that? Somebody's clearly shot themselves or ran out of toilet paper, one of the two. Anyway, yes, onto the bed. They've tried to brighten it up, obviously, with a little bit of branding. Let's check for stain. There's a big hair. Or it's just a mark. Staying worse. It's definitely staying worse. Let's have a look at the mattress. Why am I doing this? Oh my god. Like, fair enough, people well piss the bed, like, but come on, how do you get whatever that is down here? Yeah. Let's check the pillows. Oh, we've got aircon. State of the art aircon. We have a wardrobe that's fallen off, come off its hinges. And a few other bits and pieces, yes. So, not bad here. Missing a thing or two, but that's about it. Another carpet, this time for another table. I have not been in this ensuite and I am fucking frightened. Let's have a look at the ensuite. Let's make sure the light's on. Okay. Not bad. I've certainly done worse. No toilet paper. I haven't even put any water into the bum cleaner. Not even any soap. No soap. Fuck me, not even that. Well, there's towels there. Right, this is the... Very little is going to work. I think we just got to accept that very little is going to work in this place. What else is there going on? At least we've got a fan. Wanted aircon if we can switch that on if we want. We've got LED lights. All for a bargain for 23 quid. Stayed in cheaper accommodation, but I don't think it's just been yeah, this is very basic. But there you go. This gives you an idea of the different side of Dubai that we do not see. We always see the expensive shops, you know, the 7-star hotels, the villas in the Palm, and yes, everything else. But we never see this area. A lot of Indians as well here. I think 27% of the population is Indian. 87% of the population is expats. 87%. But anyway. Take it! So that's it. That shows you what the worst reviewed hotel and the cheapest hotel in Dubai, what 23 quid or $30 gets you. It's not bad. Can I stay here? No, because you're so far away from everything. But the tram and the metro is not that far away, which is good. A couple of dollars, hop on it, and you'll be into the city centre, the Mall of Emirates in no time. But anyway, yes, that's it. I'm going to, believe it or not, I'm going to have a little nap. I will see you in the next episode, where you'll see obviously the whole point of this next series. So goodbye from Dubai. Okay. Anything else you need?
No.
No? Okay. Thank you. Now, one thing I am surprised about is those little cards. I don't know much about that business, but whether it's a phone call or whether it's a hooker or a lady of the night, but one thing I can guarantee you is it will not be that girl on the call. But here we go. I think we're going to jump onto the metro and take a little wander, so I think that will do us for today. So yes, welcome to the ghetto of Dubai. Not a bad ghetto by any stretch.